بعدين اكتشفت كومبلكس فراكتال، بقيت هيك اشوف الفيديوهات بحاول اني افهم الاستراتيجيه من الفيديوهات. كانت في صعوبات في البدايه، مثلا بفتح الشارت بهذا الشكل، ما بعرف من وين ببلش من هون من هون. ما كانت عندي رؤيه واضحه. بعدين قلت اوكي خليني ببلش اخذ الدوره معهم، اشوف كيف الوضع. Alright folks, welcome to this new video. So today I want you to focus on this trade breakdown. It's a little bit hard or difficult for those who didn't apply fractal geometry enough on the charts, but we'll go step by step and I will show you everything, okay? So the first thing that I do when I start analyzing this chart, so I start analyzing on the 2-minute and the 1-minute chart. So I will explain why I come to this fractal and why I choose this fractal right here. So this fractal, I choose it from this uptrend right here to know the general direction of my movement, okay? So I will go to the chart and we see why from this area right here. And now I'm talking about an area, okay? Didn't talk about a level of entry or something like this. Now I want just to get an overview how the markets can move, okay? So from this fractal right here in this uptrend, okay, I get the idea that the price will go to break this high, this low, sorry, right here, and then it will goes on an uptrend, okay? So I just get the general idea or the overview, okay? Then I will go to the chart now and explain how we do it. So of course the price go to this low right here to break this low, and then the price go to an uptrend, and this is the long position, and this is right here the short position, okay? So the first fractal that gives me the idea or the overview of my movement was this one right here, okay? So it was an equal low model, okay? Equal low model. So why I opt to choose this movement right here? Because I see that this higher high right here was self-similar to this higher high right here, okay? And then what I have low equal low, and then the price go on an uptrend, okay? So from here I have the idea that maybe this one right here is my fractal, okay? So I will cut this fractal right here. I always right here until now I say maybe, okay? I'm always looking for confirmations, so I can say that this is the one, okay? But until now I always say maybe, okay? Because I want to look for confirmations. Okay, so now when I cut the fractal on the black box, I can see that this higher high right here, okay, is self-similar to this higher high right here, okay? And then I have this, the highest high right here is the same one right here, okay? So from this fractal right here, okay, when the price is at this zone right here, I already have an idea that the price will go and break this low right here, because the price go and break the low right here, okay? So now I will go to this movement or to this downtrend right here to look for an entry point, okay, to target this low right here, okay? So I will go right here and try looking for a fractal, okay? I wasn't on the chart when the price is moving in this area. I come when the price is moving right here, okay? So I start looking for a fractal from this high, okay? So when I come and try to pay attention to the psychology of the trend, okay? How my trend or how the buyers and sellers behave in this area right here, I can see that they are behaving in a Y model, okay? I see that the price is going on a Y model in this way. So I have an idea that maybe I'm on a Y model case, okay? So I will go to the bottom of my curve looking for my model, okay? So when I come right here, this is the bottom, okay? Somewhere right here, I can find my fractal in this area. I came across this one right here. And why I will choose this one and I will be confident to work with this one, because when I cut this fractal, in this. Okay. So first of all, I can see that I have this shape, or this higher high, or this triangle right here is self-similar to this one right here, so it gives me more confidence on my fractal. Okay, so now if I put each reference point at its place, and then I scale my fractal in this way. Okay, so in this way I will have my entry point right here. Okay, my entry point. So, and then my take a profit, when we talk about this model during the mentorship, we said that mainly if I have a short position on a Y model in this way, so it will be somewhere right here. My stop loss should be at this high, because if the price go above this high, my analysis are wrong. And my take profit will be the breakout of this low. Okay, so it's 2.6 risk reward ratio. It's not that bad trade. But right here, I will not just put this take profit, because I already have an idea that the price will go and break this low right here. Okay, so my take profit will be exactly right here, and now I have a 6.9 or almost 7 risk to reward ratio trade. That's it. So now, then after that, as you can see on the Simple Fractals channel, this was the short position. And then after this one, I take another long position, okay? And I take the long position from, from this level right here. Okay, so this is on not USDT 1 minute chart. I want you to go back to this chart, okay, if you have some time, guys. Try to understand why I take a long position from here, okay? I already exit this trade, but try to understand, or try to find the fractal that give me the entry point from there, and try to get some confirmations from the fractals that we have seen right there. Okay, so always the advice from today's session video or session is that I don't limitate myself by studying one trend. Okay, I will try to have an overview, or an study for the whole movement. Okay, that can serve me as this one. Okay, so I will have more confidence, and I will have uh, big profits. Okay, so that's it for today. Sorry if the video is a little bit long. Try to check this one and understand why I take this long position. That's it. Work hard and practice very well, and you will be on the right side. See you on the next session. Goodbye.